Structure is committed to pushing the limits of 3D capture, improving every life with a deep, personalized understanding of the human body. Over the last decade, we've made 3D scanning quick, accurate, and accessible across a wide range of applications and mobile devices. Tens of thousands of healthcare providers, from the Mayo Clinic to Doctors Without Borders, working in austere environments, rely on our products to treat over 4 million patients with personalized therapies every year. We're democratizing personalized healthcare by creating the world's most powerful 3D scanning platform. For decades, clinicians have relied on antiquated techniques like plaster molds and tailor's tape to create custom prosthetics. Now, in under a minute, they can create the same model using a mobile device. We streamlined custom manufacturing processes with mobile scanning, helping our customers save money, time, and materials. 10 years ago, we built the first mobile 3D scanning platform in the world, and now our applications span everything from cancer treatment to brain surgery, to workflows across the automotive and robotics industries. With the all-new Structure Sensor 3 and the power of Structure SDK, we offer a fast and easy way to create accurate 3D models and analyses, replacing centuries-old technologies. Our aim is to make scanning and analysis accessible to everyone, regardless of location, knowledge, or resources. We set the benchmark for rapid custom fabrication and enable seamless digital workflows for top hospitals, surgeons, podiatrists, CTOs, automakers, sports technology companies, and robotics firms. From initial scan to 3D design, we ensure consistent, accurate scans and measurements with items sent real-time to your on-site 3D printer.